Oh my god, we are so freaking back! Pinoy's Podcast! Guys, 2024, am I right? it was so bad.
It's a long year. Hindi ko lang na-realize. It was a long ass year, bro. Kami nangyari pala.
So like, ano ba? We'll start with our we're gonna start with our worst moments of 2024.
Damn, we're starting with worst?
Worst. Syempre, I don't want to end with the worst fucking
Damn, okay.
Sa ano tayo, we're gonna end this in a more
So malungkot muna before masumaya.
Parang teleserye, tama.
Yeah, let's get all the bad shit out of there and then pasukan natin ng mga okay. All right. So, worst moments, before I ask each and every one of you guys like yung worst moment, I just want to give a tribute to probably the worst fucking moment for our community, for us mismo. Ayun, we lost a brother. Okay, siguro most of our communities has been asking this din kung may tribute tayo kay Leland aka Shaloko Loco. Like that was really effed up yung nangyari yun. Like we did not expect that to happen. It hit us hard, like all of us. And hanggang ngayon hindi pa rin kami maka move on and get over. So we want to take this time to like give him a quick tribute din. Kasi I feel like everyone here their lives have changed. Like yung buhay pa sila, he changed our lives. Like he had like a huge role in our lives, and then nawala siya, naramdaman namin talaga yung parang effect ng nawala ang isang Leland sa ating mga buhay. So maybe I'll start off like just to give you guys an idea of how much my life has changed na wala na si Leland. Okay. First off, goddamn, wala na guys na PC ko.
Sabi na yan, sasabihin mo eh.
Wala na guys na PC ko. Why did you have to leave us, man? Like, dude, wala na, hindi na magagalaw tong PC na to. Okay.
It'll be like that, bro.
Like, bro, I met Leland nung parkour days pa. I never knew he was a tech guy until nung nag-start na ako sa YouTube career ko. Pero nung nag-start ako sa YouTube career ko, he was the one who fixed up my PC. Yung pinakauna kong PC, like, he was there nung condo days ko pa siya, nagbuo nun. And up till this day, supposedly, siya yung parang go-to tech guy natin. Nang lahat. Okay? I'm not just talking about my PC. Like, tanungin mo yung mga ibang mga tao sa tech industry, sa PC industry, content creation industry. Siguro like a huge percentage of those content creators, like, may bahid ng ni Leland, tulong ni Leland sa mga PC nila. Like, your freaking PCs wouldn't be alive right now without that guy. So, yeah, I mean, like, building a PC in general para sa akin was super hard, and I don't know, sobrang skill issue, but Leland made it so easy for me to like transition from here tapos papunta sa UK. Dinadala ko yung PC ko, tinuruan niya ako paano magbuo. He was super patient with teaching me how to build it, and never siya nagreklamo. Ako yung nagreklamo lagi. So ayun, man, Leland, thanks for everything, dude. Thanks for teaching me the ways. Also for siya rin yung handyman natin dito sa sa PR house. Like if may problema, like he would fix it if he can. He fixed my tong table na to na gawa niya yan. And makasahan mo lang talaga siya. Makasahan mo siya for pretty much anything. Okay, not just for handiworks but also for companionship, friendship. Like he was just a cool guy. Like, not gonna lie, he's like one of the coolest guys I've ever met. So, ayun. How about you guys? Like, well, what do you guys want to share about Leland? Like, how did he affect your life and change nung wala siya?
At first, I'm really scared of Leland. The moment I saw him,
Oh,
personally, I was really scared. I was really intimidated because he has this
Ganun siya na lahat eh.
Daura.
like this aura, like bulky, tapos yung kanyang mukha is like, kala mo laging galit. Yeah. But once you get to know him, once you get to know him, you never thought now you have a lot of things in common with that guy. Like, for example, I like Warhammer. He likes Warhammer, and then also all of a sudden we're fucking friends now. Kasi dati medyo iniiwasan ko si Leland dati nung nasa PR
Puta
ako.
sa Discord. It's intimidating, bro. Kaya nga nung pumunta ako dito, takot ako dun sa PR. I was so fucking scared, bro.
Welcome to the club.
What? Why?
Kasi, di ba may problema tayo sa internet? Like, kami kami problema sa internet. Sabi ko, matanga kay Leland. No, you go to Leland.
You go to Leland.
I remember. I never understood why you guys were scared of Leland. Like, I get it. He's an unapologetic asshole. Okay, shout out to you, Leland. Okay, you know that. Like, ano talaga siya, parang direkta. He won't give you any bullshit.
Straight to the point siya, pag may sinabi siya.
Straight to the point siya. Ganun lang talaga. Like, sobrang prangka niya. And I think that's what I like about him. Like, sobrang authentic niya. Pero like, okay, sige. I guess, I get it. Yun nga yung intimidating. Siguro pag first time mo siya makilala.
Parang what the fuck, bro? This guy's gonna bully me, This guy's gonna bully me, bro.
That's just him. He would talk to you like an asshole, pero it's not personal. Like, parang ganun lang talaga. Sobrang direct lang yung ano niya. Like, if he doesn't like anything, he'll say it, pero he wouldn't take it personally. He wouldn't put it past you or against you. Ganun. But anyway, sige, go.
Yun na yun.
Yeah, go. Yun na yun? What?
Yun na yun.
That was it, bro.
Yun na yun para sa akin.
Yeah, like, what's your like fondest memory of him then?
I think it's the Warhammer stuff. Yeah.
The Warhammer stuff.
Yeah, every time there's like an update sa Warhammer, it's like, yo, bro, check this out. Like,
Kala ko
Killian is alive.
Kala ko yung, ba't ka ganun? Joke.
Kaya pala ganyan eh. Kaya pala ganyan eh.
Ba't ka ganun?
Ba't ka ganyan?
It was a next level rage baiting. Why you mad? It was so fun, bro. Yun lang.
Alright.
That was it. That was something, bro.
Ikaw, Ken, like, what's your
Ako, may
fondest
fondest
memory of him?
memory. Not really fondest, pero pag naalala ko natatawa ako kasi tama siya sa sinasabi niya kasi nung bumili ako computer, puta, ang mahal na ibang component ko, so pinapagalitan niya ako, ito dapat binili mo, ganyan. Tapos, siya nag-build ng PC ko eh. Tapos, siya yung usually pag every 6 months, siya yung pinapalinis ko ng computer ko. Yeah, every time siya pinatawag ko.
Nililinis niya yung PC niya.
Yes.
Damn, okay.
Tapos ano pa ba? Yun nga, yung una, nung first meeting ko kay Leland, tatawa talaga ako kasi ayoko kasi nung nasa Discord siya parang masyado siyang lakas boses. Kaya tatawa siya kay Leland.
Parang sa mga ngain.
Eh. Tapos nung pumunta ako dun sa PR, parang ayoko siyang kitain, gano'n. Pero sabi ko, fuck, na. Pagkasalubong ko siya, parang natatakot na ako. Bibirahin ka agad.
Ganun talaga sa akin.
He has that aura, pero puta na, that guy is a golden retriever.
Yeah, he's the GOAT, bro.
Yeah, he is a golden
retriever.
Yun
yung golden retriever.
Tapos
pero nung nakilala ko na siya, he's just a chill guy, you know? Straight to the point, just chill.
Just a chill guy.
It's just a chill guy.
Man, pero yun nga.
Yeah, he is literally a chill guy, you know? Sabi ni Neil.
That's it.
Akala ko sasabihin mo yung moment na pumasok sa labas. So.
No, bro! Putangin na.
That was a legendary clip daw, bro.
Goated, man. That's goated.
That was a goated clip. Everyone's gonna remember that for years to come.
That's gonna be immortalized, man.
Yeah, bro. Ikaw, John, what can you say about Leland?
Pareho kami na-experience lahat. Oy, ganun.
Ay,
Ganun na talaga siya.
Pero hindi.
Puta na yung... legit. Nung nasa Cebu pa ako, sabi niya, puta na, pupunta ka sa Manila bukas. Tayo mapapagbugin kita, gagawa na sa Kala kasi inaway ko sa nun eh. Kung signan niya ako, gagawin sa dun. Sa kondo ni Gloco. Sa akin.
That's so weird because I met him and I literally have no memory na parang ganun siya.
Well, bro, the
Siyempre, common interest
you
eh.
and us is because you met him you're at school, okay?
That's
siyempre.
He did not give that aura nung sa school, yung parang ganun.
Maybe we just got old.
He had like the, parang for the longest time, parang yun nga yung golden retriever vibe yung pinakita niya sa akin nung simula pa lang. That's why hindi ko na napansin yung parang he's being an asshole to everyone. That was just something na parang, okay, every gamer is like this in-game. Yeah, let's say for example, yun nga, parang pag nasa PR house ako, tapos sabihin ko sila Ken or sila John or si Chris, punta mo kasi yung internet natin, ganyan. And they were like, no, I don't wanna go in there, bro.
Palitan.
Wag, ayoko. No, you go. Like, why are you guys afraid of this guy? But yeah.
Yes.
Yun.
Ayun lang.
Ano pa dyan?
That's it. That was it, bro.
Damn. Okay.
Marami pa eh. Sobrang dami pa eh. Yes,
meron pa.
I think lahat ng ko sa PC ngayon galing sa kanya.
Lahat naman halos tayo lahat eh. Pag lumalabas tayo, paglalabas ako. Pabili nga ako ng Sting. Sabay mo na rin nung isa, yung favorite niyang Namuta ko yung cheesy. Favorite niya lagi. Yun yung lagi
yung combo niya?
Combo niya yung lagi.
Cheesy.
Yeah.
Deadly
Lalabas.
combo yun. Putik. Dalawang Sting. Tapos
Yeah.
cheesy.
Tama.
Always.
God damn.
That was
Yeah,
something,
I've
bro.
always that was actually I was always joking with Leland na parang, okay, you know what? One of these days, you're just gonna die because of a heart attack. Dahil sa ano. Tapos,
Kakasting.
kakasting. Alam mo, tapos yung that day na tinawagan ako ni John na like, oh, Leland's dead. And I'm like, oh my, alam mo yung unang pumasok sa isip ko, oh, you fucking stupid asshole. Ina ka. Did you, like, I'm talking about Leland. Sabi ko, you stupid asshole. I told you, stop fucking drinking Sting. Tapos tinama, look at what happened. Tapos hinintay ko na lang sabihin mo na, like, because of a heart attack. If that was it, I would be super disappointed. But the reality was even more disappointing. I don't even want to talk about,
Exactly, bro.
like the reason why he died. But it was, para sa akin, it's like the saltiest way para sa akin. Like, it was the most unfair freaking way to go, but and almost ironic too. Just sucks, man. He went away too freaking soon. Neil, ikaw, like your fondest memory of Leland?
Hindi sa hindi about sa computer yung ano ko sa kanya about sa rides.
Oh.
Yun nga.
Lagi kasing nag-aaya yun mag-ride sa tabi-tabi. And siya rin yung laging parang pinapagalitan ako pag hindi ako nagsisignal, pag hindi ako nag-helmet, pag nagmamabilis ako, pag naging kamote ko sa motor. And one time na nag-ride nga kami, pumunta kami sa Fisher Mall. Kumain kami ng ng noodles doon, yung ramyun. Oo, tapos nagre-record pa siya. Tapos marami pa kaming pinuntahan nun. Then, tuwing uuwi ako, mag-aaya ngayon ng Dota. Kaya nga ako nagdo-Dota nun dahil siya, nag-aaya siya sa akin. Nag-aaya sa akin nun.
Nambuburaot pa na items.
Dota na. Uy, pahiram nga. Oo, alam ko, nangihiram pa ng items. Uy, akin na lang yung Razor mo. Sige ako. Yung mga immortal na, na skin. Sige ako, yan. Immortal na items. Okay lang ako. Di ko naman ginagamit. So, yun. Ako naman di ko naging ganun yung first impression ko kay Leland. Feeling ko may ano rin naman kasi kami. Kasi di ba, pag nawawalan ng internet, ako rin naman ang pumupunta doon at kinakausap, inaano yung router. Tol, ano ba, nakasaksak ba yung router ng PLDT? Ganun.
Like, you guys are the IT peeps. So, like, pupunta man ako doon, di ko maintindihan yung mga i-explain ni Leland.
Pero, yun nga. Before that day, kinausap ako ni Leland. Nag-usap kami about keyboards. Tapos, sinabi niya sa akin, pupunta ako sa event bukas. Tara.
Yung Grand Lason.
Yeah, tara. Sabi niya sa akin ganun. Ako, alam mo yun, sana umuo ko. Pero ang kasi parang puyat din ako and may ginagawa rin ako that day. Sabi ko. At titignan ko ako, tatry ko. Then, yun na yung huling usapan namin. Then, nagpa-usapan pa kami about sa gym sa harap na inaayos. Oo, nililinis niya yung mga gamit sa gym, yung mats.
Oo.
'Di ba kaya 'yun, nag-usap kami habang naglilinis siya. Kasi nga gusto niya magtayo ng gym sa harapan. And sobrang sobrang chill lang. Then yun nga, biglang ganun. So after that, ala na like kami na dyan, ala na sa motor kasi kami naman na magkakasama nagmamotor eh. So,
parang yung idea ko lang dun is na inspire ako sa magmotor dahil kay Leland and kay Neil. Tapos si Leland yung nagtuturo sa akin. So imagine mo lang yun, the impact of that, bro. Yung nagtuturo sa'yo about safety and everything, bro.
That's true.
Same alam ko, here, may video pa siya nung alam ko angkas ko si Gian. Alam ko yun.
Kamote
tapos nung nagtatatlo pa kami nila dyan sa kanila nun sa nagtatatlo kami sa motor na kasya tayo nun.
Sira yung ko nun.
Oy, sa'yo ba? Sa akin nata yun.
Kay Neil tsaka sa'yo.
Oo, sa akin sira na yung kingina na yan. Fun times, grabe.
That was still kind of salty about that. You know? Like, really salty about that. Kasi, yun nga, di ba kayo, parang halos lahat tayo parang gusto magmotor dahil si Leland nang lalason magmotor.
May balak din ako dun eh.
And then, parang, ako, nagmamotor na rin ako, pero hanggang ngayon nagmamotor ako. And then, it's like, nagmamotor ako dahil it's my tribute to Leland din. Kasi, ako, takot ako sa motor before, but for some reason, nalason ako magmotor because of something. Hindi ko pa rin ni-reveal ngayon. But like a huge part, siguro like 90% of the reason gusto ko magmotor or parang confident ako na mag-start magmotor was because of Leland. Kasi alam ko he will be there to mentor me. He will be there to like teach me the ropes and to take me to places and all that.
Wag maging kamote.
And wag maging kamote. Like it's just so man, I'm so salty na parang like he absolutely loves motorcycles. Like he is the safest freaking guy. Kung umaangkas ako sa kanya, sobrang ano lang ako, what do you call this? Sobrang
Chillax.
comfortable ako, chillax ako. Like dude, paminsan nakatulog nga ako pag nagmotor siya na nakaangkas ako kay kay Leland, which is something bad that you shouldn't do. But yeah, ganun ako ka-safe kay Leland. And it's just so salty na parang the way he left this world was also because of something he loved, which is a motorcycle. So, yun lang. It's hanggang ngayon, I just think it's super unfair na nangyari yun. But yeah, like I understand why you guys don't wanna ride motorcycles anymore. Pero on my part, like ako gusto ko I still wanna ride as my tribute to him. Na parang feeling ko he still would want to see me na parang, well, of course safely, doble ingat lang. But I still wanna feel what he felt when he was still riding motorcycles and the love of it. So I'm gonna continue riding safely, of course. But yeah, and I guess that's why that was what, October? Kaya siguro kung napansin nyo guys, starting October until ngayon, parang humina kami when it comes to like uploads because like we were super bummed out. Like we really couldn't move on proper. Hanggang ngayon naman, pero like ang iniisip ko na lang is what would Leland think? Parang he would probably cringe if we continue to be bummed out. So
gago siya nag-suggest nung sabi kasi may issue kasi doon sa Pinoy's Reacts
No,
Ano merong issue?
Sabi ni Neil, paano tayo magre-record yan? Walang gustong suwawa. Ang pangit naman, dalawa lang, ganun. Gusto niya lahat. Sabi ni Leland, puta na, mag-record ka, ikaw lang mag-isa.
Ginawa ko nga. Ginawa ko nga.
Ginawa niya nga.
So yes, like may din siya. Pag wala nang na-upload.
But yeah. Anything else you guys wanna say about Leland?
Ano pa ba?
We miss you, brother.
Siguro if ever magmamotorman ka ako ulit, siguro hindi na dito sa QC or sa Manila.
QC, oo. Yeah,
probinsya.
Yeah. As in, fuck.
Look, like, ako, pag nagmamotor ako ngayon, like, if I see something sketchy, alam niyo na yun. Like, talagang iiwas talaga ako. Like, god damn, like, it gives you a perspective of, like, what not to do talaga. Like, it's better to be safe than sorry. So, sa mga riders dyan, doble ingat lagi. Okay? And,
just because also, you can doesn't mean you should, tama.
Yeah.
But, also, like, ako nagsabi, like, the way he basta yun, it wasn't his fault. That's why I'm super salty. I'm so mad. Alam mo, halo yung lungkot at galit ko sa nangyari. Kasi it was so dumb. Like, it wasn't his fault. And ang daming factors, pero I'm just gonna say na parang, god damn, mga barangay dyan at yung mga municipality, fix your fucking roads, okay? Fix the freaking traffic. But god damn, it is, oh my goodness, it's so bad.
It is really stupid. Yung nangyari na yun isang beses, nangyari pa ulit nung sumunod.
Yeah.
After like,
not
even 2 months, bro.
Not even
3 weeks.
Yeah, not even a month. Another thing happened on the same place where he got the accident. It was so stupid. I know. My goodness. It's just I don't wanna pero I'm just gonna say na I'm just super salty and angry about the way he died, and I just think hanggang ngayon it's just so unfair. But yeah, what can we do?
Life is not fair, bro.
Watch or listen to the full podcast on our YouTube and Spotify.